What's the meaning of chili? Chili. Chili.
Chili. Chili. Chili refers to a type of pepper plant and its fruit, which are commonly used to add heat and flavor to food. The fruit can be red or green, and is typically dried, ground, or used fresh in dishes such as chili con carne. Chili peppers contain an active component called capsaicin, which gives them their characteristic spiciness. Capsaicin has been shown to have various health benefits, such as pain relief and improved digestion. Overall, chili is a versatile ingredient often used to add heat and depth to a wide range of dishes.